Hi, this is AJ, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about how I track mileage as a handyman. I use an app called MileIQ. So in this app, if I go ahead and open it up, um, it basically records every trip that I take, whether it's personal or business. And this is important because at the end of the year, you have to be able to show all your mileage for both personal and business. I had started off using um, a combination of Mark8 and QuickBooks Online to track my mileage, and eventually moved over to MileIQ after recommendations from several other folks. The importance of using or tracking mileage, like I mentioned earlier, is for tax time. So this is a deduction that you can take off of your income to lower your taxable amount. Just a side note on that, you essentially have two choices when it comes to taxes. You can either take a mile deduction, how many miles you drove, multiplied by the IRS's current dollar amount per mile, which I believe is 65 cents at today's date. Or you can take every expense associated with your vehicle. So you really need to talk to your CPA and decide which one makes the most sense for you. In my particular case, taking the mileage makes the most sense for me. Anyway, with that being said, you see a quick history of how many miles I've driven so far on this with this app, and I started this app in January of 2022. So I have 1,241 miles so far. $565 worth of those miles have been logged against my business. So whenever I open up the app, this is what the screen looks like. If I scroll down, you'll see a history of the drives I've had over the last few days. And it's as simple as looking at the drive and saying, okay, what was it? So this top one, I could either swipe to the right to make it a business, or I can swipe to the left to make it a personal. This was a business trip, so I'm going to go ahead and just slide it to the right. And it was a customer visit because I was doing an estimate visit. So I hit the customer visit button, and that's it. Same thing. I have another one. It was the same customer visit. I had to go back there for something else. Slide it over to the right. Customer visit. It's done. And looking at one more trip, this was a personal one, so I'll say this was personal and entertainment. And I have one more. Again, this was a personal trip. I was over at my church last night. I'll say entertainment, and that's it. So now all my mileage is logged. So I just have a habit of coming in here every couple of days, just swiping left to right. And if I ever want to see my reports, I can just come up here to the top, click on the reports, download them, do whatever I need to do. So at the end of the year during tax time, it just makes everything very simple. There is a free version of this app that I started off with, and then now I believe I pay I think I paid a yearly cost. And apologize, I don't remember the total cost that I paid, but whatever it was totally worth it. Anyway, if you're looking for a way to track your mileage that's simple and easy, try giving MileIQ a try. I'm not affiliated with them. I've just been using it and really like their product. So thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy these types of videos and you want to see more, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, put something in the comments, some more information you want to see, and I'll try to make more videos with that type of content. Thanks for tuning in to the Handyman process. I appreciate it.